Now children, we will start exercise 8.3. So many try this. Now in this exercise, calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees this 10,800 time 3 years, 12 integer 1 upon 2%. That means we 12.5% per annum compounded annually. So I will solve for you this question. Same to same you can solve this question. Now see. The principle is this years, that means time, 8% per annum, compounded half yearly. For half yearly, I explained you just double the number of periods and just half the rate of interest. Okay. D, 8,000 for 1 year, 9% per annum, compounded half yearly. You could use the year by year calculation using SI formula to verify. Children, I will not suggest you should use this formula directly. We will calculate by using the compound interest formula. So first we will calculate amount, and then from the amount we will subtract principal. We will get compound interest. I will not suggest that formula. It's up to you. But whenever I am giving you questions in the exam, please apply the formula. Now rupees 10,000 for 1 year, 8% per annum, compounded half yearly. So in the half yearly, keep this thing in your mind. In year you will calculate interest 2 times. So just in time multiply by 2, in rate divided by 2. So let us start. So in 5 questions I am solving for you sub question A and sub question C. Then 3 questions you will solve yourselves. Okay. Now see here in the first question, exercise number 8.3. Principal is equal to rupees 10,800. Rate of interest 12 integer 1 upon 2% per annum. That means 12 2s are 24, 24 and 125 upon 2 percentage, and number of period 3 years. That means A equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So after putting value in the formula, 10,800 plus in the bracket 1 plus 25 by 2 upon 100 whole power 3. 10,800 in the bracket 1 plus 25 upon 2. In this way you will write after that into 100 cube 10,800, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 4 twos are 8, so 1 upon 8. Then take the LCM 9 upon 8. After calculating this value you will get amount. Okay. Now whatever amount you are getting, so cancel 10,800 by 8, then second time, then whatever value you are getting, after that value you will get amount. Now with the help of that amount, compound interest you will calculate. Compound interest formula is amount minus principal. So principal you know that 10,800, amount whatever amount you are getting, you will subtract then and calculate compound interest in rupees. And don't forget to put unit rupees. Students, in this question the principal is 2,500 and rate half yearly, compound interest is calculated half yearly. So half of 8% is 4% and double of time. So time is 1.5 year. That means 2 varsh, 1.5 saal. So double of this. So 2 ones are 2 and 1 3, 3 by 2 into 2. So 3 half year. Now formula same you will apply. A equal to P in the bracket. I think formula to now you have learned. So many times I have written here. Okay. Now put the value in the formula. So this value you will get. And LCM you can take 25 ones are 25, because 100 is divisible by 4, 25 times, so 26. Now you can calculate this thing. You will get amount. From amount you will subtract principal, so you will get compound interest. Okay. Now see second questions. Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. Okay, what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years 4 months to clear the loan? Now children, see here, the problem is in this question, principal you can write 26,400, rate of interest also you can write, but see here 2 years 4 months, so this 4 months you will change into years, so 2 integer 4 upon 12, this 4 months you will divide by 12, so you will get 2 integer 1 upon 3, and the formula is A equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. When you will write n, you will get fraction form. 2 integer 1 upon 3. That means 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7 upon 3. So how you will solve the 7 upon 3? So here hint is given. Find amount for 2 years. That means for a little moment you will forget this 4 months is given, and only calculate the amount for 2 years, and then that amount you will assume as a principal for next 4 months. So 4 months you will change into year, that means 1 upon 3, because 4 divided by 12, 4 ones are 4 and 1 upon 3, and time period you will take and rate 15%. So let us start. Now see here in the second question, principal is equal to rupees 26,400, rate of interest 15% per annum, time is equal to 2 years 4 months. First we calculate amount for 2 years with this formula, because compounded annually. So A equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Put the value. After putting the value, you can see here 26,400 in the bracket. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, 20, 21s are 20. So 23 upon 20, 23 upon 20 cancel by this, and after calculating you will get amount 34,900. Now amount for 2 years we have calculated 34,914. This amount is principal for the next 4 months, because we have to calculate. So 1 upon 3. So exponents form, it is very difficult to solve. So we have calculated first for 2 years, and now this. For 2 years amount we will assume as a principal, principal for next 4 months. 4 months, that means 1 upon 3 years divided by 12. So 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now simple interest P into R into T upon 100, 34914 into 15 into 1 upon 3 and upon 100. So 15 divided by 3 5 times, and then 100 divided by 5 20 times. Now 34914 divided by 20, you will get 1745.70. That means 1745 rupees and 70 paisa. Now this is the amount for 2 years, and this is the amount for 4 months. So next, total amount will be 34914 plus 1745.70, that means rupees 36,659.70. Okay.